For the Cambodian people, water is more than just the water itself. It dominates the country map, and it's a blessing for luck and serenity of every living thing on earth. Now, a modern Cambodia again is harnessing this resource to empower their country into prosperity.
After Civil War in 1993, the water supply in Phnom Penh have a lot of problems in terms of the water supply to the cities. We have 65,000 cubic meter can send the water to the city, but we have around 72% leakage to the pipes. We discussed together and how to assist Phnom Penh water supply to be sustainable in terms of water supply to the city.
One key component of the Bakheng project was how to best design the piping, the transmission network, and of course how to best implement it. Number one was obviously to supply enough water for people, and so we're talking about somewhere between 1 million to 2 million people. The second, I would say, was the schedule, because there was a shortage of production capacity, so we had to implement it as fast as possible. The third one was, I would say, the scale of the network. We're talking for this project about 100 kilometers of transmission pipes, out of which perhaps around 30 kilometers above 1200 millimeters, so that's fairly large.
So working in the business of water, what is the important? Stop the leakage as much as you can. We should select the right material to use, because if you don't choose a right material, you will spend 2 times.
The quality of the ductile iron is one thing. The quality of the coating is ultimately what will determine the lifetime of the pipe. We take like a lifetime guarantee or all-risk warranty, I would say, thanks to the quality of the products. They are not going to move anytime soon.
This Bakheng water supply project is the biggest water supply project ever built in Cambodia. The success of this project thanks to all partners, including PAM.
Saint-Gobain PAM is an excellent partner at all aspects of the project. They are very responsive to our needs, the types of fittings, special castings, etc.
When you make business, trust is more important, right? So when we have emergency, they never say no on our request. Look like I work with Saint-Gobain, it look like we are working 24 hours, they also working 24 hours with us.
We press the start button right here and problems were solved, and this is when you realize the impact that you're having.
បាទចំពោះឆ្នាំថ្មីនេះឆ្នាំ2024នេះទឹករបស់ខ្ញុំវាប្រើប្រាស់បានគ្រប់គ្រាន់ហើយមួយទៀតខ្ញុំក៏បានចែកជាពីរដែរទឹកប្រើប្រាស់នេះទី1ទឹកសម្រាប់កូនសិស្សលាងដៃហើយពីការប្រមូលផលដាំបន្លែផលយើងក៏បានផលល្អដែរមកហើយយើងអត់មានទឹកខ្វល់រឿងពេលហាស់ឡើងឬពេលហាស់ខ្ពស់អីទេអញ្ចឹងយើងមានទឹករត់ទេយើងដាក់តែសារធាតុចិញ្ចឹមទេយើងអត់មានតែចំណាយពេលទៅពិនិត្យទឹកពិនិត្យអីឬក៏ប្រើអាស៊ីតទម្លាក់អីទេបង
Well, the fact that the project was completed within time, within budget, should be an inspiration for other similar projects in Cambodia, but also in other parts of the region and the world. Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority is famous for having achieved a very low rate of non-revenue water, and by the early 2000s they had reached below 10%, and they have remained consistently below 10% ever since.
Water is life. Everybody have a right to use. Phnom Penh water supply will have 100% of coverage area by the year of 2026. That is our commitment. Clean and safe water for all.